Hello students, I am your English teacher Ruchi Singh and today we are going to read class 5 English lesson number 9, The Star. The Star is a poem written by Jane Taylor. Children, do you remember nursery rhymes? Which one is your favorite? Do you remember Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Do you know it has more than that lines? It is a full poem. Today we will read that poem. This poem consists of a young child looking at the stars and wondering about its twinkling. So, let us read the poem. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle. Twinkle means to shine with a flickering light. And diamond? Diamond is a very hard, clear and precious stone. As we remember our nursery rhyme, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Now, what is the meaning of these lines? A young child is looking at the stars and he is seeing the twinkling of the stars and he is wondering. He don't know what you are and at what height you are at, because you are looking so small, but your light is so beautiful in the sky that it looks like a diamond. Just like diamond looks very beautiful and it shines brightly, as it your light, star's light is twinkling and it is looking like a diamond in the sky. When the blazing sun is gone, when nothing shines upon, then you show your little light, twinkle, twinkle, all the night. Blazing. Blazing means very hot and bright. When the sun goes away and nothing else to shine, then these little stars show their light. Despite of being small, its light is important and powerful. We don't have sunlight. Now at that time we have star's light. Then the traveler in the dark thanks you for your tiny spark. How could we see where to go if you did not twinkle so? Then the traveler. Traveler means one who travels or one who goes from one place to another. And tiny means small, very small. And spark. Spark means a flash of light. When there is no sunlight and some travelers are going, some travelers might passing the road, then how could they see? There is no sunlight. Then the star show its light to see, to help the traveler where to go. Now the traveler can see his path and reach to their destination. Now he can see where to go. He can see his path clearly. But if there will be no starlight, how can he go? How can he see his path? So traveler thanks a star for giving its light. In the dark blue sky you keep, often through my curtains peep, for you never shut your eye till the sun is in the sky. Curtains. Curtains means a piece of material hung on doors or windows as a screen. This is a curtain. And peep means to look quickly or secretly. And shut means to close. Now, the poet says that it's lighted Your star's light is like an open eye and it peeps, means it is looking inside through his curtains, and he will never shut his eye or close his eye. Why? He will shut his eye only when the sun is in the sky. When the star is in the sky, he will not close his eye. He will close his eye when the sun is in the sky. As your bright and tiny spark lights the traveler in the dark, though I know not what you are, twinkle, twinkle, little star. See, this is the scene of a night. Traveler is going and stars are showing their light. Now he can see the path. Now, as your bright and tiny spark lights the traveler in the dark, means your light shows way to the traveler and he can travel easily in the dark without sunlight, with the help of starlight. Though I know not what you are, twinkle, twinkle, little star. The poet exactly don't know what is the location of the star, how far is the star, but he is happy with that up to that time when the star gives its light continue to the travelers. So, this was your poem, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. The poem's name is The Star. In this poem, a young child is wondering over the twinkling of the star that looks like a diamond in the sky, and the traveler is thankful to the stars for showing his right path. And poet is also happy. Poet says that stars are seeing him through his curtains and he will close his eye only when the sun is in the sky. So, this was your poem The Star. Hope you all understand and enjoy it. Thank you.